Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Solana on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit and then log into your Bybit account. So once I've logged in, click on this buy crypto option here and then you'll see one click buy. Just open it up, click on it. So when you click on one click buy, so once the page loads, so here we're going to buy Solana here. So on the spend here, type in the spending amount, that whatever amount you want to spend, and then the currency, and then under receive, so we're going to buy Solana. So just select Solana here. So let me select that. So if you click on the currency here, what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and then select Solana. If you're buying Solana, then you're going to like search for Solana. So let me do that. So there you go. So that's Solana. So select that. So once you have selected the currency, so this will now show up the amount, the currency that you'll be receiving, and then done. So now what we're going to do is simply select a payment method. So under payment methods, there will be various payment methods here. You'll just select the one that best suits you and then hit on buy. So when you click on buy, then it will prompt you to the payment page where you go to complete your transaction by providing your payment details, and that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.